Living off the grid in Alaska is an adventurous and demanding lifestyle that requires self-sufficiency, resilience, and a deep connection to nature. Families who choose this path typically rely on alternative energy sources, hunting, fishing, and farming, to sustain themselves in a remote and often harsh environment. What life looks like for an off-grid family in Alaska. Many off-grid families build log cabins or yurts or tiny homes using locally sourced materials. Insulation and heating, often wood stoves, are essential due to extreme cold in winter. Some use underground or earth-sheltered homes to conserve heat. Hunting and fishing play a crucial role, with moose, caribou, deer, rabbits, and fish like salmon, trout, and halibut being staples. Due to the short growing season, many rely on hardy crops like potatoes, carrots, and leafy greens, often using greenhouse. Preserving food through smoking, drying, canning, and freezing is necessary for winter survival. Foraging for berries like blueberries, cranberries, and salmon berries, along with wild plants, supplements their diet. Many collect rainwater, use wells, or draw water from rivers and lakes and purify it. Solar panels, despite long winter nights, are useful in summer when daylight lasts over 20 hours. Small wind turbines and hydroelectric systems from nearby streams supplement energy needs. Generators are often used as a backup power source. Wood is a primary fuel for heating and cooking, while propane may be used for cooking or refrigeration. Homeschooling is common, often supplemented with online courses or satellite internet. Remote work is another option. Some earn income through online freelancing, blogging, or selling handmade goods. Local jobs such as hunting guides, fishing, trapping, carpentry, and small-scale farming are also common income sources. Snowmobiles, ATVs, and bush planes are essential for long-distance travel, especially in winter. Dog sleds are still used by some for traditional mushing transport. Internet and cell service can be quite limited, so satellite internet or ham radio is often used in remote areas. Extreme weather is a major challenge, with winters reaching minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit heavy snowfall and limited daylight. Isolation is another factor, as the nearest towns can be hours or even days away. Wildlife encounters with bears, wolves, and moose can pose significant threats. Medical emergencies are also a concern, with limited access to health care, making self-reliance and first aid skills critical. The freedom and independence of living off the grid allow families to be self-sufficient and avoid reliance on modern infrastructure. Many are drawn by a love for nature, seeking a closer connection to the land, wildlife, and the natural cycles of life. Some choose this lifestyle to escape from society, preferring a simpler life away from modern distractions and consumerism. Off-grid living is also a way to ensure resilience and preparedness in uncertain times. Would you ever consider living this way even for a short time? This is Steve. I am a retired Coast Guard search and rescue helicopter pilot who served in Alaska. During my career, I flew the MH-65 Dolphin, conducting high-risk rescues in some of the most extreme and unforgiving environments on Earth. From treacherous storms in the Bering Sea to emergency evacuations in remote locations, I was dedicated to saving lives and ensuring the safety of those in peril. My experiences in Alaska, including witnessing environmental disasters like the Valdez oil spill, have shaped my deep appreciation for marine life, environmental conservation, and the delicate balance between humans and nature. I've witnessed many successful homesteads in Alaska, but I have also seen tragedy, including the loss of children. Alaska is a brutally unforgiving environment, and survival requires thorough preparation, resilience, and respect for nature. If you're considering this path, please do the necessary research, gain the right skills, and understand the risks before committing. Subscribe for more insights on Alaska from the perspective of a search and rescue helicopter pilot.